MarineMax Vacations, we know how important a good stereo system is. You're here in the islands, you want to play your music, it's all part of the enjoyment of the charter. So we made sure that we put very decent systems on our boats. And we've got the Fusion 700 on this 484. One of the nice features about this system is that you've actually got 4 zones where your speakers are. You've got speakers in the salon, you've got speakers in the foredeck, you've got speakers in the aft deck, and you've also got speakers up on the flybridge. And you can either have everything on, or if you want to select a certain zone, you literally come to your main dial here. Now we've got the salon, now we're just doing the foredeck, aft deck, flybridge. So you can actually select the different zones. Obviously, on and off button, very straightforward. You can move between your stations. Another nice feature is just by popping this down, you've actually got a DVD player as well, and that'll play on the TV that's on the boat. Just want to point out, you can see that you've got great speakers up here in what we call the hard top. We're up in the flybridge. There's 2 speakers back here in the aft section of the hard top, and 2 more speakers actually right over the helmsman seat. So 4 speakers alone up here in this designated zone.